iPad desk mounts are essential for hands-free use, improving ergonomics, enhancing productivity, and providing stable viewing for work or entertainment. My today's video is about top 5 best iPad desk mount that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Workspace iPad desk mount. The iPad desk mount is a thoughtfully designed accessory for anyone seeking stability, flexibility, and convenience in daily device use. Designed specifically for flat surfaces like desks or tables, its anti-slip base and aircraft-grade aluminum construction provide exceptional sturdiness, supporting devices up to 2.42 pounds, 1.1 kilograms, without wobbling. The included wrench allows users to tighten joints, solving common issues like iPad sagging or accidental falls, ensuring secure and reliable support for extended use. Fully adjustable in both height and angle, this stand promotes ergonomic posture, reducing neck strain and enhancing comfort during work, entertainment, or study. Its wide compatibility fits devices from 4.7-inch to 15.6, including iPads, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, iPhones, and Kindles, making it versatile for movies, gaming, reading, or following recipes. Easy to install without tools, it also features integrated cable clips for a tidy, organized workspace. Combining durability, stability, and adaptability, this desk mount is an essential tool for productivity and device safety. Now our second product is Leeson iPad desk mount. The Leeson flexible tablet and phone stand is a premium, versatile solution designed for stability, flexibility, and convenience. Unlike single clamp holders, it features 2 adjustable clamps for tablets and phones, accommodating devices from 4-inch to 13, including iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, iPad Pro, Kindle, and Fire HD, constructed from German imported carbon steel and polished over 10,000 times. The upgraded aviation alloy arm is 500% more stable than traditional gooseneck stands, with a professional anti-shock spring that prevents drooping and vibration. Its 4-joint design and 6 adjustable nodes allow 360-degree rotation, enabling precise positioning for ergonomic comfort and hands-free use. Compatible with desks, countertops, and tables up to 2.83 inches thick, it supports up to 3.2 kilograms, making it perfect for work, study, cooking, gaming, or live streaming. Thoughtfully crafted and widely compatible, this stand is not only practical but also makes an ideal Mother's Day gift, blending durability, flexibility, and everyday convenience into one essential accessory. Our third product is Cable iPad desk mount. The upgraded gooseneck tablet and phone mount is a game-changer for anyone seeking stability, versatility, and hands-free convenience. Featuring a 13.7-inch solid metal arm, this mount eliminates wobble, providing steady support for typing, viewing, recording, or video calls. Unlike flimsy plastic stands, it stays perfectly in place, making it ideal for professionals, students, and content creators. Its 360 degrees ball joint holder allows effortless rotation between portrait and landscape modes, giving you the perfect viewing angle for Zoom meetings, streaming, or following recipes. The upgraded C-clamp base mounts securely on desks, countertops, or workout stations up to 2.32-inch thick, with rubber padding protecting surfaces while ensuring a tight, slip-free grip. Universally compatible, it fits devices from 4.7-inch to 13.5, including iPads, Galaxy Tabs, Kindles, Surface Pro, and iPhones. Compact and travel-friendly, it sets up in seconds without tools, saving space and offering reliable, adjustable support anywhere, home, office, dorm, or on the go. Now number 4, Lamicall iPad desk mount. The Lamicall tablet stand is a premium, versatile accessory designed to enhance productivity, entertainment, and convenience for a wide range of devices. Compatible with 4-inch, 13 tablets and phones, it perfectly supports iPad Pro, 2021 to 2025, iPad Air, iPad Mini, Kindle, Surface Pro, Galaxy Tab, and iPhone models up to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. For larger tablets over 12-inch, horizontal positioning ensures stability and prevents wobbling. Its multi-angle adjustable holder allows both vertical and horizontal viewing, catering to diverse needs such as gaming, video streaming, reading, typing, or video recording. Built with spaceflight-grade Alti alloy and reinforced high-strength alloy steel, the stand combines lightweight design with exceptional durability. Rubber pads and feet protect devices from scratches and sliding, ensuring secure placement on desks or tables. Compact yet sturdy, this stand offers ergonomic comfort and stability, making it ideal for home, office, or study environments. Thoughtfully designed, it's a smart, reliable, and stylish solution for hands-free device use, and our last choice is Innofisp's iPad desk mount. The Innofisp's tablet holder is a robust and versatile solution designed for secure, hands-free device use across home, office, or leisure settings. Upgraded in 3 key areas, it features a strengthened elastic silica gel clamp, a sturdy all-metal long arm, and a high-quality aluminum alloy base with 2 extra rubber pads, protecting furniture while ensuring your device stays firmly in place. Compatible with a wide range of 4.7-inch, 13 tablets and phones, including iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro, Kindle Paperwhite, Fire HD, Samsung Galaxy Tab, and other e-readers, this holder offers flexibility for virtually any device. Its 360 degrees rotating design allows full angle and height adjustments, providing ergonomic comfort for video calls, streaming, gaming, or reading, reducing neck and shoulder strain. Lightweight and foldable at just 1.1 pounds, it is highly portable. Backed by lifetime warranty and responsive customer service, the Innofisp's tablet holder combines stability, convenience, and versatility, making it an essential tool for a comfortable, hands-free digital lifestyle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.